So I'm finally arriving to my Airbnb. The great thing is I originally booked a studio apartment and they upgraded me to a two-bedroom apartment, so it's pretty neat. Had a living room, a kitchen, full size refrigerator. Had this was the second bedroom here, pretty nice. They also had a washer and dryer set up in the little laundry room. This is the first bathroom here. Pretty cool. This is the master bedroom, which had the master bath inside. So, got settled and went to go get my parking passes for F1. So, when you purchase your F1 tickets, they give you a couple of locations to pick up your parking pass. So, I went to the city center to pick up mine. I received three parking passes, one for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of the event. So after picking up my parking passes, I decided to go check out a couple of sites around Bahrain. So the first place I decided to visit was the Bahrain National Museum. My next stop was a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Bahrain Fort. So I stopped to get gas before heading out to the Bahrain International Circuit. It was about a 45-minute drive to get out there, but before heading there to F1, I decided to stop by Sofitel. They have a brunch every Friday. So here just getting the Sofitel and wanted to enjoy some brunch before heading out to F1. So every Friday, Sofitel hosts their Grand Friday brunch. The cost of the brunch is 36 Bahrainian dollars, which is roughly 100 USD. The brunch includes all you can eat drinks, food, and it also has exclusive pool access and beach access. It's an international buffet. They have different live cooking stations, and also they have a DJ and a live Cuban band. So after finishing up brunch, it was off to the Bahrain International Circuit. I definitely recommend if you're in Bahrain to check out the brunch at Sofitel. It's a pretty nice environment. The ride from Sofitel to the Bahrain International Circuit was about 10-15 minutes, but it was a lot of traffic once we got close to the international circuit. So once we parked, headed off to the main grandstand area. The main grandstand area was where all the activities and food and events were located. You want to make sure you're wearing a pair of comfortable shoes because you're definitely going to be doing a lot of walking. My seats were located in the Victory Grandstand, so from the main grandstand to Victory Grandstand, it was about a 15-minute walk. We walked around and enjoyed some of the F1 experiences in the main grandstand area until the race started. So after the Gulf Air fly pass, we walked over to our seats to enjoy the race. Enjoyed my F1 experience in Bahrain, so later this year I plan on checking out the Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. So before leaving Bahrain, I decided to go get some drone footage, and this was a big mistake. My drone ended up getting confiscated by the Bahraini Police. You're allowed to fly drones in Bahrain, but you have to get a certificate before flying. So while flying by the Avenues Mall, I was stopped by the police and they ended up confiscating it, and I didn't get it back. So if you plan on flying your drone outside of the United States on vacation, make sure you check the local laws prior to flying. Anytime I'm passing through Dubai or Bahrain, I always pick up the raffle drawings to win either cash prizes or a car. So hopefully I can win this G-Wagon. So before heading off to my gate, I decided to go check out the lounge. Here in Bahrain, they have little sleeping pods, so it's pretty neat. So here's my pod here. So it's you can rent them out for 2 hours. So they have little TVs, bed, pillows, blankets. So it's pretty cool. Making it to my gate and it's time to board. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little trip to Bahrain and stay tuned for my next destination, which will probably be Thailand. Take care.